We know that 2 to the a, sorry, that should be times 2 to the a times 2 to the b is 2 to the a plus b. Use the above fact to explain why it makes sense that 2 to the 0 equals 1. Okay, so let's say 2 to the third times 2 to the 0. Okay, and I just made up 2 to the third. You can do 2 to the anything. You could use a if you want, but I thought more specific example would be better. Okay, so 2 cubed times 2 to the 0. And now I can apply this fact that I'm multiplying like bases. I can add the exponents. So this is 2 to the 3 plus 0, which is 2 to the 3. Okay, so it turns out that 2 to the 3 times 2 to the 0 equals 2 to the 3. So 2 to the 3 times a thing, 2 to the 0 equals 2 to the 3. Okay, so the only number you can multiply by that follows this rule, like what number do you multiply something by and get the number isn't changed? And the answer is 1, right? So 2 to the 0 has to equal 1. Another way to explain this would be to use the quotient rule instead of the product rule. We could do, say, 2 cubed over 2 cubed. Okay, we know that's 1 because a number over itself is 1. But we could also apply the quotient rule, and we have 2 cubed over 2 cubed, which is 2 to the 3 minus 3, right? When you divide like bases, you subtract the exponents, and that is 2 to the 0. Okay, so 2 to the 0 has to be the same thing as 1.